continuing his Polite, and then right there, Rodriguez just kind of falls. No shot landed there. It was that right in the center of the ring. Power personified.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. December 8, 2017, dumayo sa pangalawang pagkakataon itong Pinoy na si Aston Mighty Palikti para labanan itong dating kampiyon na Mexican na si Jose Alfredo Rodriguez. Ang laban ay para sa NABF Super Flyweight title. Matatandaang nakalaban na ni Milan Milindo itong Meksikano mga pre noong 2013, pero umabot sila sa desisyon pabor kay Milindo. Nakalaban na rin ito ni Pretty Boy Angkahas noong January 2017. Panalo si Angkahas via RTD o referee technical decision, pero sa laban nila kay Mighty Palikti ay iba ang nangyari. Kung ang dalawang matinik na champion na Pinoy ay di nagawang pabagsakin itong si Rodriguez, kay Aston Palikti naman ay tinapos ng Pinoy ang laban sa 5th round lang bago ang bakbakan. Bit-bit ng Meksikano ang record na 32 wins, 6 losses, 19 via knockout, habang ang Pinoy ay may kartada na 23 wins, 2 losses, 19 via knockout. Halina't sabay nating balikan ang laban na nagpabagsak sa Meksikano na hindi napabagsak ni Angkahas at Milindo. Unang round, makikita agad ang pagka-agresibo nitong Pinoy. Umaabante at nagbabato ng mga mabibigat niyang mga kamao, pero itong dating kampiyon ng Meksikano ay di naman nagpapalogi, talagang sumabay at bumabawi.
For a treat, he's got a very nice counter left. He's aggressive, super punching power, very good right hand as well. He can beat you with the body shots, he can beat you with that knockout power, very good defensively, very quick with his footwork. Meanwhile, Frost earlier this year in Macau against Juro and Angkahas for a world title, and also earlier this season lost, and he's hungry and focused coming in here tonight, but he'll need every bit of that and more against the greatness of
narrative. I make this an inside fight. I cannot get stuck on the outside, which is where Rodriguez is right now.
Palikti has gotten a lot more aggressive the more he's fought. Every fight he gets more and more aggressive. Everything he does for Jigu, his family, and his fans.
Good right hand on the Angel for 10, our main event. Short uppercut, almost a bolo punch. That was a bolo punch. Counter left hand from Rodriguez.
Vast array of weapons for Palikti.
Big right hand from Palikti. Turning up the temperature, closing seconds, round number 1. There is the bell.
That was the corner of Rodriguez. As we take a look at a replay from round number 1, Palikti with the counter left coming up with the uppercut with the right hand. So quick, ducking and dodging, shaking his head.
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, mas uminit pa ang bakbakan, mas tumindi din ang mga palitan ng mga kombinasyon, punteriya ang ulo at katawan. Pero makikitang mas nabugbog ng todo ang Meksikano dahil sa mas accurate ang mga patama nitong ating pambato.
Open for uppercuts, he ate a big one in round number. That counter left throughout the course of the build up to this fight.
Count straight up and down, Rodriguez trying to make a Palikti. One
in the punches of Palikti.
Uppercut, counter left from Rodriguez, continuing to throw to the body. 125 remaining round 2.
A lot of people thinking that things have Rodriguez.
There's real creativity in the striking of Aston Palikti. You saw the over, knocking his hand, his shoulder. 30 seconds remaining now, round number 2. Trying to dip in the front left.
Palikti landed 3 times in that exchange.
A lot of power from these two. Junior boxing, we are live.
Take a look at the replay here from the end of the
delay to start round number 3. Referee Mark Palloy. All left hand from Palikti. Absolutely clear. 1-2 from Palikti. The right really landing.
Sean, it's hard for me to recall from angles, those hooks.
Round 2, you saw it in round number 3 there. Takes a lot of skill and a lot of guts to throw that combination. A lead uppercut. Also a lot of confidence.
2 big body shots followed by a left
Better
to the
than
face.
Rodriguez. Landed the lead left hook. Palikti, the consensus is that he is the emerging fighter, but just 2 years younger. Rodriguez feels not only will he still be relevant with the win, he will be right back as a world title contender at 115 pounds.
Left uppercut from Palikti.
Been a refereeing from Floyd, keeping this fight moving. himself open. Big shot to left hand from Polite. Rodriguez running into that right hand.
Polite drilled him twice, once with the left.
He landed big, heavy shots on the inside. Now Polite to the inside. The bell.
Left from Rodriguez, a right from Polite. This is the same sequence. Look at this action. Both guys giving you a show here tonight. Good point, Sean. So many times guys will do that. No, that didn't hurt. When you see.
Before we go, this is our main event of the evening. 10 rounds at stake. Currently held by trying to take one more world title picture. Rodriguez stepping into the inside again. Hitting round number 4. Rodriguez to the body.
Way of that punch.
Rodriguez just simply cannot win a jabbing contest. With Thunder, get to the inside, hook to the body. 105 remaining round. Mark Colloy, great job refereeing, keeping this fight moving. Feint uppercut again from Polite. Can you see the jab? There was a jab from Rodriguez. Rodriguez hooking to the body for Colloy. Back said, let's go.
Polite hit a little bit of a counter left in that last exchange.
Jose Rodriguez, the challenger, versus the champion, Aston Polite, live on BX Sports.
76, and it's a hybrid. Think about that for 1 second. 576.
Fifth round, tuloy ang basagan ng mukha. Mas nagpapakita din ng pagka-agresibo itong Meksikano dito, pero sa gitna ng palitan nila, bigla na lang tumiklop itong Meksikano at bagsak ito.
Rodriguez wants to continually move forward. Good double jab there from Jose Rodriguez.
Polite got out of the way of the first.
Polite not getting the right hand through on the shoulder. Down goes Rodriguez. It was a delayed reaction on the body shot.
Nakaabot pa ito sa bilang pero kitang-kita na ng referee na naduling na ang mga mata. Kaya tinapos na agad ang laban nila.
And that is it. Mark Colloy ends this fight. The victory.
Knockout type of blow. It stunned him. He fell backward. I thought it was going to be one of those routine situations, Sean, where he got right back.
Sa replay, makikitang sapul sa panga itong dating kampiyon ng Meksikano mula sa isang malupit na right uppercut mula sa ating pambato. Dahilan ng kanyang labis na pag-alog at pagbagsak sa laban nila.
See him falling into the corner right there. Rodriguez just kind of falls. No shot landed there. It was that right in the center of the ring. How again, Sean, you called it the personified. Aston Polite really tried hard to get up, did Rodriguez, but look at him right there. Clearly.
Panalo si Aston Mighty Polite via 5th round TKO at napanatili ang NABF na titulo. Di umubra ang tibay nitong dating champion na Meksikano kontra sa mga malamaso na kamao ni Aston Mighty Polite. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento. Question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.